We're here, we're gonna pick her up right now. Our little birdie. This is St. Pete. I don't know the name of this place, but St. Pete. She's been here for a few months. And it's finally the day to pick her up. I'm so excited. It's called Animal House. And they have birds, reptiles, small animals. I think they have fish as well. This is the place. Let's go get her. I'm so nervous. We came to do a little health check on our little baby. We're in a clinic for pets. Just waiting for her to get some blood work done and some tests. Yeah, you cuteness. You cuteness. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you so much.
Okay. Do you want something to go home with today?
Sure.
Yeah. She looks good.
Guys, check out this cuteness. This cuteness. I think we're gonna call her Marika or something like that. We're still deciding on the name. We're changing it every day. But I like Marika a lot. It's Ukrainian. It sounds really nice. Cuteness. My little birdie. I love you, little cuteness. I love your little cuteness. My cuteness. I love you. Say hi. Hi. Good job. Good job. She's 3.5 months old. She's a girl. We checked her blood work. Yeah. Yeah. And she's healthy. Yay. We're going home. My prettiness. My cuteness. Yeah, you my cuteness. I love you. Oh goodness. My baby's home. You're home. You're gonna be living with us. Yeah. You're gonna be living with us now. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Птичка. You see the little birdie? Babe, right here. You see the little birdie? Yeah. Yeah, you never seen one before. It's your first time?